Ayan, nakapag-cash in na ako. Pero, ha? Ano to? Please upgrade your account first to enjoy the transfer function. Ano? Bakit nilagay ko dito? Hindi ko na matatanggal? Guys, for today's video, I think kailangan ko mag-update sa inyo about own bank. Baka kasi maiwan ang pera nyo with own bank nang hindi nyo nalalaman or hindi kayo aware na nagkaroon ng update si own bank. And ano ba to? Ito yung related sa account nyo. And kailangan nyo panoorin to, lalo na kung gagamitin nyo si own bank para ma-transfer yung or ma-convert nyo yung G-credit limit nyo na maging cash. So samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're newer in my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and personal finance na meron akong experience at ginawan ko na yan na videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so parang nireview ko si own bank, nasabi ko doon na yung mga KYC option is hindi agad-agad available. Tipong makakapag-create ka kaagad ng account and makakagawa ka ng mga transaction mo, makakapag-cash in or lagay ka ng pera and makakalabas ka ng pera nang walang limit. Meron nag-mention dun sa video ko na comment na sinasabi na pag lagpas ng 50,000 ang kinash in mo, dun pa lang matitrigger ang KYC or ang tinatawag na Know Your Customer, or in short, dun ka mag-verify ng personal information mo, like lalagay ka ng ID and yung other details mo and also yung face verification. So dun lang matitrigger yon before. Now, nag-launch na officially si own bank. Well, nag-launch naman siya dati. Pero parang may event si own bank na nag-launch siya last October 10. In relation to this launch, nag-update na ang app ni own bank. So now, hindi na siya katulad ng dati na makakagawa ka ng transaction mo na kahit wala kang ina-upload na ID. Ngayon, kailangan mo na mag-upgrade or mag-KYC. So kailangan mo na mag-provide ng lahat ng details ng personal information mo, and then mag-upload ng ID, and of course, face verification. Kasi kung hindi mo gagawin yan, maiiwan ng pera mo, makapag-cash in ka, pero hindi mo siya mailalabas. Okay, so ito, sinubukan ko mag-upgrade na rin ng aking own bank account. Okay, so ito, pag na-receive nyo itong message na to, ayan, please upgrade your account first to enjoy the transfer function. Kailangan na nating mag-upgrade talaga. So, ang gagawin lang natin is punta tayo dito sa may pangalan natin, which is yan, PC nakalagay. Sa taas yan. Tapos, makikita natin may nakalagay na upgrade. Click lang natin yung upgrade. Ayan. And then, sabi dito, prepare your valid documents. So, nandyan ang passport, SSID, driver's license, postal ID, and UMID. So far, ito pa lang yung nandito, ina-accept nilang IDs. Hindi ko alam kung bakit konti lang yung IDs na ina-accept nila. So sa akin, ito, driver's license. So kailangan daw natin i-upload yung ating driver's license. I-enter yung serial number and then the validity period. Tapos, after that, kailangan natin i-enter yung birth information natin. And then, yung mother's maiden name. Ayan. And then, select your marital status, select your contact information. Guys, medyo hindi pa talaga streamline itong own bank application kasi like yung email address ko is merong character like underscore, hindi nila tinatanggap. So, kailangan ko pa magpalit ng email address na hindi naman yung main email address ko. And then, enter your employment status. After that, ito na, kailangan na nating mag-selfie. So, kailangan buksan ang ating mouth. Ayan. Identifying, please wait. And application is successful. The upgrade result will be notified to you within 24 hours. After 24 hours, magbibigay result na upgraded na. Then, that's the time na makakapag-transfer na kayo or mailalabas nyo na ang pera nyo from own bank. Okay. kung hindi kayo mag-upgrade at naiwan ng pera nyo with own bank, well, wala kayong ibang magagawa dyan kung hindi bumili ng load, buy load, or game credit, or data plan or game credits. Until the time na nakapag-upgrade na kayo, then that's the only time na makapag-transfer kayo ng pera from your own bank account to other bank accounts. Mali rin din kasi talaga na nakapag-create ka na ng own bank account without verifying IDs. Bakit ka nakapag-create before at nakapag-transfer na ng wala pang ID? Then ngayon, binabago nila. So parang, 'di ba? Naiwan yung pera mo doon nang hindi mo alam na wala kang way. Paano kung wala kang existing na mga IDs na yan? Anong gagawin mo? Yon, isa sa item na gusto kong ilapit kay own bank yan. Kasi meron tayong mga viewers na nag-transfer tapos walang ID daw. Wala daw silang ID, hindi nila ma-validate. So watch out guys, I'll be getting in touch with own bank to verify that concern. So, yun lang muna po for today's video. So, kailangan talagang i-update to para maging aware lahat na kailangan nang mag-verify muna before you do your cash-in transaction kay own bank. Mabuti nang aware kayo. Okay, so yun lang muna po for today's video. For our question of the day, nasubukan nyo na ba ang own bank? And with the recent update na kailangan nang mag-KYC agad, do you feel secure now banking with own bank? Comment nyo na lang yan sa comment section sa baba at magkakaroon tayo ng 1 winner ng 500 pesos GCash. And also, make sure na naka-like and subscribe na kayo dito sa channel ko and comment the hashtag #road275k subs para may chance kayong manalo sa ating pa-cellphone giveaway for the month of October. Yun lang muna po for today's video, but before I end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay tab180 or kay Tabs. Salamat sa malinaw na paliwanag mo. Ganyan dapat, malinaw ang salita at Tagalog para mas marami ang makaintindi. #road250k subs. Maraming salamat po at tab180 for watching my videos and supporting my channel. So yun lang muna po for today's video. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala namang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!